Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. We have been in a state that has had tons of snow, and these ZIONOR X ski goggles have been a huge help to my husband, especially since he's been wanting to ride on the Razor. The first thing that really stood out was the clarity of the lens. With a visual light transmission of 14%, it was just absolutely beautiful. And it was also great having ventilation not only on the top, but also on the bottom. So that way, whenever you're wearing the lenses with the body heat, it doesn't easily fog up and you can see with clarity, especially when he was driving the Razor. And I also thought it was pretty neat that the strap had this adhesive on it that keeps it in place when you wear it. And then this mask has an extra cool feature where you can fit glasses on the inside and easily slide the mask over your face, and it feels comfortable while you're wearing the glasses. And finally, you can even remove the strap if you need to put it around your helmet. So if you want to enjoy your snow playing time in comfort, I highly recommend these glasses. My husband absolutely loved them. And that is just our point of view.